Hello and welcome traders, welcome to Precious Pips. Let's start with today's analysis. So today is August 25th and as you can see we don't have any high impact news events. So this is a medium impact news event which is going to take place in the US session. So make sure you just have a look at it. Okay, so let's move on to our chart. So this is a 4-hour chart traders. Okay, so in my previous analysis video I have shown you exact all the levels and I have explained you each and everything in detail. So make sure you watch my previous analysis video first. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame chart and as you can see traders, currently we are respecting the trend line from below. Okay, from below and from here above. Okay, so this is the third touch. So let's find out how we can trade in this Asian and London US session today. Okay, so this is 4 hour. Let me move to 15 minutes and also we have this FVG over here which I have also explained you in my previous analysis video. As you can see we have this big FVG which the price needs to fill. Okay, and also I have explained you that this blue line is the weekly low, previous weekly candle low and previous weekly candle high, and also this will become the daily candle high. As you can see, previous day candle high. So this high is weekly recent candle high and daily recent candle high. Okay, so this level is very important. So let me move on to 4-hour time frame. So as you can see also we have this FVG in the 1 hour and 15 minutes also we have the FVG. So I will extend like this. Okay, so this is done. So as you can see we have this FVG over here and this is a short analysis, quick analysis video for you. So make sure you like this video traders if you find any value from my videos. Okay, so traders, we have a trend line following. I told you in my previous analysis video, as you can see how perfectly it is following. So I told you I didn't draw the trend line, but I told you like this we are following this trend line. Okay, so as you can see currently we are following this small time frame trend line and as of now sellers are in control. Okay, so yesterday I told you traders I am looking for a liquidation above and then a continuation below, but the market opened in a gap down, in a gap down manner. That's why the market was not able to come up and liquidate the sellers. So now the sellers are more powerful. Okay, so everyone has their sell orders in this range. Okay, so everyone is selling in this range. So how what are the possibilities? Let me explain you traders, but first let me explain you the Fibonacci on 1 hour time frame. Also you can do it on half hour, 15 minutes. So as you can see from here till here, so this is our trend line, sorry Fibonacci, and as you can see traders, exactly this equilibrium level meets our 61% level and 50% level. Okay, so I am expecting the price to come into this range. If price does not break this level, then we can definitely go uptrend. Okay, so coming back to our analysis, so let me delete this. Okay traders, so as you can see currently we have so many stop loss orders over here. Okay, so this is a very major liquidation level. So what we can do is currently we are in a trend line. So after this trend line we will induce all the buyers. Okay, so all the buyers will be entered over here. So we have one stop loss here and the second stop loss here. Okay, so buyers entered over here. Then once we break this trend line and after the breakout we will liquidate this and then we can come down again hitting our 50-60% and then we can continue in the US session or the London session respectively. Okay, so if the market is not doing like that, then directly we can come down and then we can break this trend line in the London or US session and then we can continue upwards. Okay, so we have a medium impact news coming in the US session right at the beginning of the US session. Okay traders, so this is the only scenario. So let me explain you once again. So currently we are in a trend line over here, price is respecting this trend line. So once the price breaks this trend line, let's say if in London session, then we can liquidate this, then we can come down and then we can hit our important level, key level. Key level is 3350, 3344, okay, which is a 50% and 61% magic Fibonacci level of this move. This is the first scenario. We will break out, we will invite buyers, we will induce all the buyers, okay, telling them to buy from here. So they will buy, price will liquidate this, and then again price will liquidate all the buyers. So if the price will do like this, so that will be the first scenario. The second scenario can be, we will be continuing in the Asian session, London session, and then in the US session we will have a breakout above from the same levels, okay, 50 and 60% level, that is 3350, 3344. Okay traders, so don't complex your analysis, keep it simple and make sure you start making profits, traders. Okay, so that's it for today. So I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, peace out.